I'm going to watch people pick targets, and then they're going to work on how their body is placed in relationship to that target. So for example, let's just pick right over that blue flag. What I'm going to watch a lot of is this, trying to figure out how am I going to get my chest, my body, and my feet in the direction of that target. So what we need to understand is how this alignment works. So if I do that and I try really, really hard to get my feet in the direction of that target, notice where the ball is going to go. I'll move this a little bit more. So for those that are standing kind of right behind Gavin or near Gavin, where does that ball look like it's going to go? Right of target, exactly. Because these two lines run parallel to each other. They don't run to the same target. So in order for us to actually aim squarely, as we call it, to the target, our feet and our body must feel left of target if we're trying to hit straight. So what we ultimately end up doing, which a lot of amateur golfers don't do this well, and that's why in clinic, if I can start training you guys to do this, it's better. I start behind the golf ball. I'm picking my imaginary line in the direction of that blue flag. And within the first 3 feet, let's call it, I'm gonna pick an intermediate target on the ground that I can remember what it looks like. So in this case, it's very easy. I've got a divot right in front of me. Makes it much more simple for me to actually aim to. So then I come to the side. Let's get rid of this for a second. I'm gonna set up my club face first. I don't care what my body is doing or my feet. I don't have my hands on the club. All I'm doing is utilizing the arrow on the club, if you have one, and aiming it at the spot that I picked, really only about a foot in front of the ball. Once I have that spot, I'm gonna try to get my feet to run parallel to that spot. And so now I'll use my eyes to feel like, okay, do I feel like my shoulders slightly left of target? I feel good, and then I'm gonna make my swing.